Now I have a question for you. What if someone could turn your Instagram photos into AI images before even asking you? Yeah? Comfortable? Not? That's actually exactly why Meta's latest AI launch is already making headlines. But before we go on to give you snapshots or close-ups of this particular story, I would please request you to like, share, subscribe, and it helps us, motivates us. Thank you so much for your support. Now, Meta has officially launched Muse Image. It is the newest AI image generator developed by Meta Superintelligence Labs. The launch marks another major step in Meta's push to build AI-first consumer products as competition intensifies with OpenAI, Google, and other AI leaders. The model, internally codenamed Mango, is now rolling out across the Meta AI app, Instagram Stories, and WhatsApp. They have an expansion planned across other Meta platforms. It is free for everyday use, while heavier usage will eventually require a subscription, and obviously. Now, on paper, Muse Image looks like every other next generation AI image generator. It can create images from text prompts, edit existing images using prompts, sketches, or annotations, generate functional QR codes, remove unwanted objects like photo bombers, place yourself in front of famous landmarks. Interesting. And even redesign one's room or furniture layout, which Meta plans to integrate with Facebook Marketplace. Now, it also introduces prompt presets to help users who don't know what to create. Yeah, somebody like me. But one feature has overshadowed everything else. Muse Image allows users to generate AI images using another person's public Instagram photos. Uh-oh. Now, all someone needs to do is tag that public Instagram account. The AI can then incorporate that person's image into entirely new AI-generated visuals. And actually, here's the controversial part. Meta says users will not automatically receive notifications when their public Instagram content is used for AI creations. Instead, users must manually change their settings if they want to prevent this kind of reuse. Strange. Critics argue that making the feature opt out rather than opt in creates serious privacy concerns. For once, I agree with the critiques. Social media users have already described it as a privacy landmine. Cybersecurity and privacy experts warn that lookalike images, impersonation, and misuse could become much easier if adequate safeguards are not enforced. All very genuine concerns. Now, also, the concerns echo Meta's long history of privacy controversies. Meta, however, insists users remain in control. How? Okay, I'm trying to figure that out. The company says people can disable reuse through privacy settings. It also says Muse includes safeguards and invisible watermarking for AI-generated images. Beyond personal creativity, Meta is positioning Muse as a business tool. Advertisers will eventually be able to use it for AI-generated campaigns. Instagram Stories is receiving more than 30 new AI effects powered by Muse. And the company has already confirmed that its AI video generation model, Muse Video, is under development. Now, the launch is also part of Meta's much bigger AI strategy. Over the past year, the company has rolled out multiple AI products while investing billions of dollars into AI infrastructure. And we've covered all of this on front page. But this very launch also comes against the backdrop of Meta's long and often controversial history with user privacy. Now, let me jog your memory. In 2019, the company paid a record $5 billion fine to the US Federal Trade Commission over the Cambridge Analytica scandal after data from millions of Facebook users was harvested without their knowledge for political profiling. Then, in 2021, Meta also shut down Facebook's facial recognition system following lawsuits and growing regulatory scrutiny over biometric data collection. Now, privacy experts say Muse's opt-out approach follows a pattern regulators have criticized before, where user data is broadly available unless individuals actively choose to disable access. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, Muse Image is the first image generation model from Meta Superintelligence Labs and represents Meta's latest attempt to compete with rivals such as OpenAI and Google. Now, Meta has also been rapidly expanding its AI ecosystem over the past year. Alongside Muse, the company has introduced products such as the Creator AI Assistant and Pocket, an AI powered app for building video games. The company continues to invest heavily in AI infrastructure as it races to strengthen its position in the global AI landscape. But the bigger question now is whether companies can balance innovation with privacy. Because as AI becomes more personal, who really owns our digital identity? Well, I'll end on that extremely disturbing thought. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.